We are doing an experiment today from the Everything Kids Science Experiment book, which I will post a picture of so that you can see it. The experiment we are doing today is called, Can you blow up a balloon with a banana?
Banana.
And we are predicting that, what, you can or you can't? You think it'll work? You think it'll work? All right, so we're about to find out. So you need a very ripe banana. I'm gonna hold it up. It's very ripe, very ripe. A bowl. There's our bowl. A small mouth plastic or glass bottle. And a balloon, which we have. So the first thing you have to do is peel the banana and mash it in the bowl until the lumps are gone. You want to do that first? All right, go ahead. Peel the banana, put it in the bowl, and start mushing away. We got a fork to start mushing. Here, put this on the plate. There you go. Put that on there. There you go. Start mushing away. It says, make sure all the lumps are gone. Keep mushing. Yep, you got it. Good mushing. We are mushing. Keep mushing. I will undo the bottle. After we mush it, we have to carefully scoop the banana mush into the bottle. This might be a little tricky and messy, but with patience, it can be done. You may also want to try using a plastic knife to scoop the banana mush into the bottle. This may be easier. Not bad. Keep going. While we're waiting, fun fact, latex balloons come from the rubber tree, which produces enough sap to make 3 10-inch balloons each day. Huh, that's pretty neat. Who knew? All right, the experiment overview. In this experiment, you will watch as a banana decomposes over time and inflates a balloon. The process is not something you can see, but the effects are unmistakable. As a follow-up, you can try other fruits to see if they produce the same results as they decompose. That would be a cool experiment. Science concepts. Eventually, plants die. A banana is the fruit produced by a banana tree, and anyone who has ever seen a banana ripen and turn brown before it could be eaten will know that as it ripens, it dies. It undergoes dramatic changes. When a banana decomposes, bacteria flock to it. Bacteria are so small you can't see them, but not only are they there, they multiply and multiply by eating what's left of the banana. In this manner of processing food, they give off gas. Not a lot of gas, but with enough bacteria present, the gas will inflate the balloon. Your challenge once you complete this experiment is to try other fruits to see if they produce the same results. Very interesting. As you can see, the process is slow because the mouth of the bottle is small. But it did tell us that it would be very messy, which it is, and could take a while. The next thing we have to do is place the balloon over the mouth of the bottle. All right, we're gonna wipe this off. You're good. All right, now I'm going to place the balloon over the mouth of the water bottle. Oh, did you see that? It went like right in. Okay. Now, place the bottle in a warm, sunny spot and watch the bottle over the course of a few days. Measure the distance around the balloon each day to track the progress of the banana's decay. So, we will put this in the window and record as it inflates. So when you squeeze the bottle with the banana at the bottom, it does blow up the balloon. With a regular water bottle, so I wanted to show the difference of the one with the banana and just the plain one, is that you can squeeze this and it only does that. It doesn't blow up like the one with the banana. And you can also tell that it crinkles and it doesn't like fill back up with air. So you can do that, but then after a while you can see it gets crinkly. And you can see with the one with the bananas in it, when you squeeze it, the balloon fills up, but then it does not get squished like the regular water bottle with no banana in it. So it's bigger, but then see, it pops right back out. We hope you enjoyed our experiment and hope that you do your own experiments with science. You can either look up that book that we showed you, or you can think of your own experiments and try things out.